Hello, kids! Today we'll learn about 30 amazing construction vehicles. Let's go! Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. It pushes dirt and rocks away with its big metal blade. It helps make the land flat. Crane. This is a crane. It lifts heavy things up high. It can reach very far with its long arm. Backhoe. This is a backhoe. It digs with its back arm and can also carry dirt with its front bucket. Excavator. This is an excavator. It digs big holes in the ground with its long arm. It can move a lot of dirt quickly. Forklift. This is a forklift. It lifts heavy boxes. It is small but very strong. Loader. This is a loader. It picks up dirt with its big bucket. It can move the dirt to another place. Pile driver. This is a pile driver. It pushes big poles into the ground. It helps make strong building foundations. Drill rig. This is a drill rig. It makes deep holes in the ground. It is very strong and heavy. Paver. This is a paver. It makes new roads. It spreads asphalt evenly so the road is smooth. Road roller. This is a road roller. It makes the road flat. Its big roller is very heavy and strong. Cold planer. This is a cold planer. It removes old roads. It makes space for new roads to be built. Boom lift. This is a boom lift. It lifts people up. Workers can reach high places safely. Skid loader. This is a skid loader. It is small but strong. It can move dirt, rocks, or materials easily. Dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries sand and drops it from the back. It can carry very heavy loads. Telehandler. This is a telehandler. It has a long arm to reach far. It can lift tools or materials to high places. Compactor. This is a compactor. It presses dirt down hard. It makes the ground strong for roads or buildings. Scissor lift. This is a scissor lift. It goes straight up. It holds people safely while they work high. Dragline. This is a dragline. It digs with a big hanging bucket. It can move a lot of dirt from far away. Water truck. This is a water truck. It sprays water on dusty roads. It keeps the air clean and cool. Trencher. This is a trencher. It digs long lines in the ground. It is used for pipes or cables. Concrete finisher. This is a concrete finisher. It makes cement smooth. It works after cement is poured to make the surface flat. Mixer truck. This is a mixer truck. It mixes cement in its spinning drum. It keeps the cement smooth and ready to pour. Pipe layer. This is a pipe layer. It puts big pipes in the ground. It uses its arm to lift them carefully. Wheel dozer. This is a wheel dozer. It pushes dirt with wheels. It moves faster than a normal dozer. Clamshell digger. This is a clamshell digger. Its bucket opens and closes like a clam. It can pick up sand, dirt, or gravel. Grader. This is a grader. It makes the ground smooth. Its long blade can scrape the dirt evenly. Tower crane. This is a tower crane. It is very tall. It can lift heavy things to the top of buildings. Mobile crane. This is a mobile crane. It can move and lift things. It drives on wheels and can go to different places. Concrete pump. This is a concrete pump. It moves wet cement through a pipe. It can pour cement high or far. Crawler loader. This is a crawler loader. It moves on tracks. It can carry dirt or rocks on rough ground. Kids! Now you know 30 awesome construction vehicles. Subscribe English with Ash for more fun.